under each other. So it comes with some screws in here, which I will take out. Little screws to screw into the door or wall. So people have hooked it up onto the wall. So let's unwrap this real quick. Alright, that's a better view. Okay, let me unravel it. Okay, more screws there. Ooh. Sorry. So the item is obviously made of metal, which is great. It'll be durable and last longer throughout the years. You can just see this, I already unboxed it. I'll be stacking spices on top of this. Like this, it'll be a bit more organized when I get it. And then, so it'll just go right on long this door right here in this little pantry, which is a bit messy, so we don't want to take a look at that, but eventually that'll come down, and then I'll have my boyfriend screw the spice rack organizer here and there. And then I'll show you guys the finished product via a still photo, and I'll also link down below on the description where I got this on Amazon. It was a really good price for this as well, so I'll link that down below.